G'day everyone and welcome to the Trekzone Spotlight. Matt Miller with you in the garage because a very exciting parcel arrived this afternoon from a company called 4Cablling that have got branch offices here in Brisbane, one in Melbourne and head office in Sydney. They're a one-stop shop for all your server rack requirements, and judging by the sturdiness of the supply here, one day after I entered into an agreement with them, I'm pretty confident that you can order from them and get it delivered as fast as you need it. It's exciting because this is a 22 rack unit case, which is going to absolutely revolutionise the home study that you can see here that's just got stuff absolutely everywhere. So I'm looking forward to getting into this and getting everything inside this server rack. I just love how this 22 rack unit case comes with a built-in fan, so you don't have to waste one rack unit of space installing one of your own. The fact that it comes with two shelves is absolutely fantastic as well, and I haven't used it in this application though, but I have spares now, which is fantastic. Everything fits into this case, all the cabling is hidden, which was the main aim of doing this project. So it's a huge thanks to 4Cablling for supplying the sliding shelves and of course the rack. All of the cabling, all of the electronics are now in this cabinet. They're out of the way, which is absolutely fantastic. It means the Trekzone home office is ready to bring you more great content throughout 2018.